Hello guys, welcome back and Merry Christmas to you all. Recently I posted on my Instagram account asking my followers to send me their favorite pictures, and out of that I'm going to be choosing three winners. So in this video I'm basically going to be drawing the first winner, and yeah, I'll just be going through the process that I'll be using to make the art piece. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, so for our first winner we have Gurnaal Singh. Yeah, I'm guessing it's Indian. Yes, and I really like this kind of picture. I like how dramatic it feels. You can feel a story behind this. So I guess this isn't going to be too difficult to work with. Alright, so I have basically what I've done is I just opened another document with the picture itself. And I think the face isn't so clear over here. I really like the background. I like the environment. I like how they took a picture from behind some rocks. As you can see, these rocks are kind of blurred out, giving you some kind of depth. Okay, so first I'm going to focus on getting the pose right. I'm going to scribble something down to get the basic form of the pose. So in this stage I'm not going to try to do anything serious. And I like how he tilted his head. Alright, so let me tweak it a bit to make it look more dramatic. So I'm going to kind of bring the pivot down. That's just about right. Alright, so I'm going to make a simple sketch for the background as well. First, let me reduce the size of the main character here. Alright, so let's name this layer background. I really like how the background was made, so I'm not gonna really change much. It's just a simple sketch to help me when I'm painting the background separately. Then let me sketch the rocks. So as you can see, the rocks are not so easy to determine what shape they are, so replacing them with simple shapes like pieces of squares and quadrilaterals. Hopefully they give me an idea of how it's supposed to look like. Then I just break it down to other details. And you know what, I have this idea that I want to do. I'm going to kind of exaggerate, add some few things to it. So instead of just drawing those rocks that were blocking the view to create that depth, I'm going to change their shape and size a little bit to make it look like we're looking through a cave of some sort. So these ideas are just coming from inspirations I've had from video games like Uncharted. I'm using Uncharted because I think Uncharted, one of the games was in an Indian set, so I'm kind of trying to remember how that place looked like, and I'm incorporating that here in the picture. So over here I'm just going to make details to the sketch I did. So for the coloring stage, I basically just cut out blocks of the flat colors. So I'm starting with the foreground. Alright, so as you can see from here, I'm basically done with the color blocking. What I'm gonna do next is just add a little bit details, and then especially for the foreground here. Okay, so it looks like what I've done so far looks really cool with the plants here, but I don't know what to be. You know what would actually be cooler? If I take these off and make this place glow a bit to make it look like there's a river reflecting the skylight. So the color will be a bit more dense at the bottom, and the rest will be more of brightness. Just look at that. So peaceful. Now let's bring the plants back in. I think this is actually good. Let's turn this off and see. Yeah, it kinda brings your eye down to the view. I like that. What else can I do? Okay, so a skylight would be cool. Somewhere from there. I don't know, the warm tones always work for me when it comes to sky. Yep. Man, I love this. I like the way this is going. It's really nice when you can actually feel yourself as you go through the whole process. So the reason why the reddish or the warm color works so much is because their green is here. The more there are greens, the more you need something reddish or orangish to make it, balance up a bit. Since we have this green, let's go to this one. Just cool color. Ooh, now I'm getting what I wanted. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and do all to send me your pictures into my DMs, and we'll see who wins the next one. Peace.